Hi guys, Greg and Andy here from Complete Game Physical Therapy located in Lowell, Massachusetts. For our tip today, I wanted to go over an exercise that we use quite a bit here in the clinic, and we use it with a wide range of patients. Everybody from older population, could be somebody coming back from a knee replacement, or a younger population or more athletic population, and that's the step-up exercise. This is a great exercise because it's single leg loading, which means you're kind of just using that side that's injured or you're rehabbing. And it's a great way to build strength as well. So Andy's going to show here, he's going to step up onto that step. What we're looking for when he comes up onto the step is that his toe, his knee, and his hip all stay in line here. So he's going to come up onto that step, good, and then control as he comes back down. And this is great because you can do it at home. All you need is a stair to work on. Just make sure you work on the bottom stair. And there's kind of the basic form of the exercise, and then you can also use it as a more, with trying to build more power, more explosiveness, and work the balance as well. You turn it into kind of more of a power step. So go ahead, let's demonstrate how we would do that. So you're going to come up, and good, perfect. And so this, especially with our runners, is really big in that they're able to kind of work that running pattern, extending through this hip, working that left leg. So that's our tip for today. Make sure to check us out on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, and we will see you back next week. Thanks.